Okay, for this homework assignment, what you have to do is add a title to the web page. So here's my title. You should have a favicon up there of your choice. In the HTML, there should be a comment with your name in it, or your names. And again, put both names up here if two of you are working on it. Down here, we're going to have some images, a video, an image map, and some audio. They all need to be block elements, which means that they'll be stacked on top of one another, and there'll be a gap in between them. And the size of the gap, I think, will vary depending on the browser that you're viewing it in. So this is a picture of your choice, and it should be square, and set it to a width and a height of 400. Make sure you add alternate text to it. This is a picture that is linked to, that is on another web page. So this does not actually exist inside your project folder. And it itself is a hyperlink. You can hyperlink any place you want to. I hyperlinked to briarcliff.edu. Now below that, this doesn't have to be the same picture you had up above, but I chose the same one. This is not in my root folder. This is in a subfolder labeled images. Down below, this is also in a subfolder labeled images. You need to find a map of the state of Iowa and add an image map to it with a circle over Sioux City. It gives the dimensions of the circle in the problem description. A square, and that, by the way, that links you to Sioux City. A square over Cedar Falls, and that all should link to the Cedar Falls page. I'm not going to follow that link though. And then down here over Des Moines, a triangle that's approximately an equilateral triangle. And we're not going to follow that link either, but that should go to the Des Moines City homepage. Below that, we've got a video. Your video should be in at least 2 formats and should display a message if we're unable to play it. It should have the controls. And you need one audio file, and you can find whatever you want to for that. This also needs to be in at least 2 formats.
Take her easy there, Pilgrim.
And that's it. Once you've got that done, zip your root folder, which should have the images folder, the audio folder, and the video folder embedded inside of it, and put that in the Dropbox.